Hi, this is Connie from Connie's Creations, and I'm here with my assistant.
Hello, I am Jake from Peyton B and their friend.
And this time we have a guest with us. Introduce
Skull Fox
yourself.
from the Rockers of Hell. I forgot my lines.
And we have a Monopoly, and it's a real mini game something. What's it say? Real mini game inside. And we got that at the Five Below for $5.
Yes, and since we are Monopoly collectors, we... I was getting that for you.
We'll let our guest star unpack it.
Because I'm so good at unpacking things.
Yes.
I totally didn't break the last thing I opened. It's also a Temu product for my mom, so they always break.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Temu sucks.
Yep. Okay, take that full back off. Who wants to completely take it out?
I'll take it out?
No.
Go ahead.
Someone else
Take it out?
Maybe. I don't get paid enough for this.
Yeah, me neither, dude. I'm having to do like slave
Is it
labor.
like a rubber band? What is that?
Oh, yeah.
There's a rubber band. Looked like it actually was like a plastic.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like, this looks strangely plastic.
It's even squared. Ooh, I see money. Time to seal. Is this like an ASMR or something? We're being all quiet, making mouth noises that are
Very
weird.
interesting.
Alright, so I think this is our teeny tiny instructions.
Probably too
And
small.
then here we have the little bitty board, and it's actually paper.
Hey, my French logo.
My French logo.
I'm French.
Oh, that's got countries,
Is that
flags.
bisexual
this
flag?
is-
Oh. Thought that was me there for a moment.
That's kind of cool. Can you see this, YouTube?
I'm
Can you
French.
see this, YouTube?
I got my French flag up there. My homies are in that state.
Yes, you transitioned to being French.
Yeah, I'm a
Alright, so then we have the money here. I guess we'll have to peel this apart.
It's like your stickers.
There's ones and fives.
Ah, yes, here's our...
I mean, they really make you do all the work in slave ages.
Yeah,
And then here we have the 10s and 20s.
yes. This is our
Small dice.
teeny tiny dice.
Oh, cute.
I got a 5.
And then here we have 150s, 100s, and 500s.
Yes.
Then we have strangely shaped little guys for us.
Yeah, these are like little doodads I'd probably find at Spencer's.
These are the little houses that you have to pop out. And then there's the hotels
yes.
to pop out.
Monkey see, monkey do, man. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just following.
Yeah.
You even have to pop out the cards.
And here's
Yes.
for the 4 players.
Yes. This
Little
is...
tokens.
Yes, property cards.
Chance and the chest.
Yes.
That's
We're
pretty
doing
neat.
so great.
Yes.
And then here's more. Let's see what this is. Where's... Oh, yes. Here are the streets.
Yes, your property cards.
Yeah, I lost
Ain't
my
there
property.
more of them?
Yes, right there.
Oh. I was going to say that ain't enough. Yeah, I think this will cover it.
You think?
Yeah, here we go. This is what I was looking for.
Yes.
Well, show 'em.
Yes, I showed them.
That's actually pretty neat.
Yeah.
And now
Monopoly
we have to
on the go.
Yeah.
so many
And it
Don't
has
tell
flags
those
for the
stuff.
theme. There's the German flag, Die Deutsche. Die Deutsche Fahne. Well,
do us.
if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and leave comments if you have any. So until next time, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss, mach's gut, au revoir, arrivederci, mach's gut, tschüss.
Hee 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 har.